is not just about turning 7. It's about celebrating the beautiful and kind girl she is becoming. She has grown right before our eyes, and every day, she continues to amaze us. So now, with so much pride and love in my heart, let us all give the warmest welcome to the star of today's celebration, our daughter, Amber Dizon.
Rising in the east, tell us on the side, song is on the side. Beauty and the Beast. Oh, 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 oh. Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life.
Happy birthday, Amber, and remember, I will always be with you. Happy birthday, love you.
Happy birthday, Amber. Sana lumaki kang mabait at yung pag-aaral mo, lagi mong pagbutihin.
Saka lagi kang mag-pray.
Happy birthday, Amber. Love you.
Hi, Amber. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo, best. Sana hindi ka magbago. Stay ka palaging sweet, humble, at napakabait na bata. Love na love ka ni Tita. Enjoy your day. Love you!
Thank you very much. It's nice to see everyone coming, taking their time, pumunta dito. I hope mag-enjoy kayo na kasama namin nakasama din ninyo si Amber to celebrate her 7th birthday. So, welcome po and thank you.
You've been trying hard just to make it alone, but I can help you, baby, let me carry the load. I'll do anything to make you see what it's like.
Wish ko sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos, at thank you kasi palagi mong minimake proud yung parents mo and kaming nakapaligid sa'yo. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na maraming mga tao ngayon dito yung nagmamahal sa'yo.
Amber, out of all the gifts you got today, mine might look the smallest and the simplest. It's a letter, but inside these words, it's something special. My love, my happy memories with you, and all the love I have for you. You're not just my sister, you're also my best friend. I hope as you read this letter, I hope you know how much I love you, not just today, but every single day. Love you.
Change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back.
Happy birthday, apo ko. Kaninang pagpasok mo, talagang napaiyak ako kasi sobrang ganda mo, apo ko. Para akong nakakita ng anghel sa'yo. Tuwan-tuwa ako sa'yo, apo ko. Proud na proud ako sa inyo. Sana, paglaki mo, mabait ka pa rin. God-fearing. Paglaki mo, huwag mo pabayaan mga magulang mo. Si papa mo matanda na, no? Kanina nagsasayaw kayo, nakikita ko kayo, natuwan-tuwa ako sa inyo para kayong mag-ama. Ang palagi mong tandaan, mahal na mahal kayo ni Lola Cora, no? Kahit nawala na ako, mahal na mahal pa rin kayo. Okay,
Amber, I want you to be blessed with a very kind heart. And I know you are, because with compassion, you always choose compassion and kindness, okay? You will go a long way. And you be like a princess and spread it like a fairy dust everywhere you go, okay?
birthday, Amber. Wala na akong mawiwish sa'yo sa dami nang nag-wish sa'yo. Wish ko na lang sana matupad lahat ng wish nila sa'yo. Happy birthday!
I pray then you experience a lot. You will be having a good adventures and happy life. Happy birthday, ate!
Anak, 7 ka na. 7 years and you've grown into someone so beautiful, so strong and kind. And watching you become who you are today is one of the blessings life has given me. And I thank God for choosing me to be your mother. Always remember, gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo ni ate, that no matter what happens, I will always be here for you, to love you, and to protect you for as long as I am breathing. I'm so proud of you. So proud. I may not be a perfect mother, but I will always try to be the mother you deserve, the best mama I can be. Okay? I love you, anak.
I won't be able to promise that I'll be with you for the rest of your life, but what I can promise is that I will love you for the rest of my life. Okay? I promise to protect you. I promise to provide your needs up to the last drop of my strength. I promise that you, together with your brothers and sister, will be my #1 priority. You will always be the first, ahead of anyone else. Okay? And when you grow up, and when you look at this, you want to go back to this celebration, maybe you'll hear my message to you again, and hopefully by that time you will say to yourself that yes, Papa kept his promise, and that's what I intend to do. Okay? I love you, anak. I love you.
So for my message for you lang, Amber, honestly, for your age, you are probably the most assertive, confident young girl that I've ever known in my life. And I do wish at your age I did have the traits that you have. And yet, you are also kind and caring. And I wish na hanggang pagtanda mo, madala mo ang mga traits na to. And I also hope na you always feel special. Kasi sabi nga nila, Papa, you are special. Not only in this day, pero sa days, sa maraming panahon pa na darating sa buhay mo, you are very special. And I will always be here for you as an older brother. Syempre, for the things na hindi mo masasabi sa parents mo, I'll be here naman for you. So that's all. I love you very much, Amber. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much for coming to my 7th birthday. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for the love you have given me. You're the best Mama and Papa in the world. To my ate Avery, you will be my best friend forever, even if we're old. My baby brother, Aiden,
We always fight, but I still love you. And to Kuya Nikyo, it feels good to have a good Kuya that will protect and will guide me. Lisa and Tito Axel, you haven't taken care of me since I was a baby. Lolo Edwin, Lola Cora, and Lola Ver. Thank you very much for conditional love. Thank you to everyone who came to celebrate with me. You made this birthday the best birthday ever. And I'll cherish this even when I grow up. Thank you.
You've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want.